Well, there he is, Jorge Prado, the 2023 MXGP champion. And this is him racing, or testing, I guess, Supercross. And it's been announced he's here for, I think it's 2.5 weeks. He'll be over in America testing Supercross, and I don't know, it's kind of cool. This is a guy who's obviously one of the top 5 over there, and he's coming here to test this because apparently in 2025 is the first year he could come over and actually race it. And I don't know if that's contractual obligations with the actual team before he could get out, or if it's something to do with like sponsors, because obviously being MXGP, it's Europe and the Eastern continents. You're not going to be running international sponsors if you come over here to the US and race it, but I think it's cool. Obviously, if he comes over, he's going to be fast. You may take a little while to adapt to Supercross racing, but being one of the top guys over there, obviously bike control is going to be good, speed's going to be good. It's just how quickly could he adapt to Supercross racing. And obviously this is a highlight reel, but everything showing here, he looks fast. He looks in control and he looks good. In the comments below, I want to hear from you guys. 1, do you think he comes over? If he, in 2025, if he can, do you think he actually does? Or is this just kind of like, hey, I'll do it for fun? 2, if he does come over, how well do you think he's going to do? Is he going to be a top 10, a top 5, a podium, or a win contender? And 3, do you want him to? Because obviously more competition is always good, especially big names. And this, the more international flavor you can bring in, more world title it is. But go make sure to comment down below. While you're down there, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things the platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it.